Hi guys, I'm Sanjay. I'm database faculty in PYSpiders Punjagutta branch. So one of our students, Sagar, got placed in a reputed company. So he will share his experience.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. My name is Sagar Kumar. I'm from Raipur, Chhattisgarh. I recently graduated in the year 2023 with a bachelor's degree in computer science engineering from Raipur Institute of Technology.
Okay. Sagar, who referred you to join PYSpiders?
My friend Pramod referred me to join PYSpiders.
Pramod, like just now we have done one video for him. That Pramod?
Yeah, we got placed in the same company at the same day.
Is it?
Yes.
You both got placed in same company?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
that's very good, man. The person who referred you to PYSpiders, you both got placed same day for same company.
Yes, sir.
That's very good. Okay. How was your interview preparation?
My interview preparation is like there was ups and downs. I don't know why I get rejected in the only last round. Before that, I have one interview where all the round were cleared, but in last round I get rejected. But in that company, I cleared all the round.
Okay, you told that I was getting rejected in final round in all the interviews. Okay, how many interviews you attended in?
I have interviewed four companies.
4 interviews you attended.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the common mistake you can observe in that? Due to the failure, what is the common mistake for the failure?
Sir, my technical knowledge is good, but when it comes to communication skill, I think that communication lacks me.
Yes, correct. So do you think, as you told, communication problem is there? Do you think the activities what we conduct here, like presentations, verbal English classes, do those things help you to improve communication?
Yes, sir. Presentation helps me a lot. Before giving presentation, I was like not that much good in communication. But after giving presentation, my communication improved.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much, Sagar. And finally, what will you say for the students who wants to join JSpiders? What do you recommend them?
If they want a job in the technical field, they can join PYSpiders. As my experience, their faculty are good in technical and they are very supportive.
That's very good, Sagar. And okay, what's the designation?
The designation is software developer.
Software developer.
Yes.
That's very good, Sagar. So you and Pramod, for both of them, all the best. So grow in your career, all the best. Okay, na? Good
Thank you,
luck.
sir.
Thank you.